Good day, grade 12 learners. Today we begin a life orientation lesson that connects two important CAPS areas. Topic 1, the development of the self in society, and topic 6, physical education. According to the CAPS guidelines from the Department of Basic Education, life orientation aims to develop learners who are physically healthy, emotionally balanced, and capable of making informed life decisions. In this introduction phase of the lesson, we will explore how your identity, stress levels, and lifestyle choices influence your academic performance and future success. We also begin to understand how physical health and mental well-being are closely connected, especially in a demanding year like grade 12. Slide 2 is about development of the self. Topic 1 focuses on your personal development as a learner, as an individual in society. In grade 12, many of us are facing sorry, in grade 12, many of us are facing pressure from exams, career decisions, and expectations from family and peers. This is why self concept and identity are important. Self concept refers to how you see yourself, your abilities, and your worth. When learners have a positive self concept, they are more likely to make confident decisions and manage stress effectively. We also focus on decision making under pressure. In grade 12, we are constantly making choices about study time, social life, and future plans. Emotional well being plays a big role in helping you stay focused and balancing during the time. Slide 3 will be about physical education. Now we connect this to physical education, which focuses on the importance of physical activity and healthy living. Regular exercise is not just about fitness, it directly affects your mental health, concentration, and energy levels. Research in life orientation education shows that learners who engage in regular physical activity often perform better academically because exercise reduces stress and improves brain function. This means that taking care of your body is also taking care of your mind. Healthy habits such as exercise, sleep, and nutrition are essential tools for success in grade 12. Slide 4 is about linking the two topics. This means that taking the two topics are strongly connected. Development of the self is not only emotional or psychological, it also includes your physical well-being. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals that improves your mood and reduces stress. This helps you concentrate better and feel more confident. Therefore, a healthy body supports a healthy mind, and together they help you become a balanced and successful learner. This is what we call holistic development, which is a key principle of the life orientation in CAPS. Slide 5 is the introduction activity. In today's lesson's introduction, we will start a real-life grade 12 scenario. Imagine a learner who is feeling stressed, tired, and overwhelmed during exam preparation. In your groups, you will discuss what might be causing the stress and what lifestyle choices could help you improve this situation. Think about sleep, exercise, time management, and emotional support. I will guide the discussion by asking questions such as how does stress affect your performance? What can you do to improve your well-being? This activity helps you connect the lesson's content to your own experiences as grade 12 learners. Slide 6 is the assessment overview. During this lesson, your assessment will be informal and continuous. I will observe your participation in discussions and how well you apply your understanding of self-development and physical well-being. At the end of the lesson, you will complete a short exit ticket. This will ask you to reflect on your personal habits, your understanding of self-concept, and how physical activity influences your well-being. This assessment helps me see whether you understand the connection between your lifestyle, your mindset, and your academic success. It also helps you reflect on how you can improve your own performance and well being. Thank you.